In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam error code E20. This error usually points to a permissions or network hiccup that blocks Steam from signing in or loading properly. We'll walk through a clean, safe sequence to get you back online. Start by completely closing the Steam app. Make sure it's not just minimize, exit it from the system tray as well. Now, give Steam elevated permissions. Find your Steam shortcut, right-click it, choose Properties, and go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box that says Run this program as an administrator, then click Apply. Running as admin helps Steam write to the folders it needs and can immediately clear E20 if it was caused by a permission conflict. Next, let's refresh Steam's local configuration and clear temporary files. With Steam closed, press the Windows key plus R to open the Run box, then type Steam, flush config and press Enter. This tells Steam to reset its cached configuration without touching your installed games. After that, open Run again and type temp. This opens your temporary files folder. Select the contents and delete them. It's safe because these are temporary items. If some files are in use, skip those. You can also open the temp folder by typing temp in Run and delete those contents as well. Clearing these folders removes stale cache that can interfere with Steam startup. Now restart your computer. A clean reboot closes background processes, resets services, and frees up any files that were locked. If the error persists, power cycle your network equipment. Unplug your router for about 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in and wait for it to fully reconnect. This refreshes your IP lease and routing, and it can resolve connectivity issues that trigger E20. Once your internet is back, try launching Steam again. While you test, reduce interference from other software. Close unnecessary background apps, especially overlays, bandwidth-heavy download tools, or anything that hooks into your network traffic. Run an antivirus scan to rule out unwanted programs that might be blocking connections. If you use a VPN or a proxy, temporarily disable it and try Steam without it. VPNs and proxies can route traffic in ways that Steam sign-in doesn't like, and disabling them is a quick way to isolate the issue. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.